Learn how to build high-performance web APIs with Python and FastAPI. Python combined with FastAPI creates a powerful framework for building modern web APIs quickly and efficiently. Let's start by understanding what FastAPI is and why it's become so popular. FastAPI is a modern, fast web framework for building APIs with Python 3.7 and above. It offers high performance, comparable to Node.js and Go, is easy to learn, and provides automatic interactive documentation. FastAPI sits at the center of your application, connecting different components and handling requests efficiently. Setting up FastAPI is straightforward with Python's package manager. You can install FastAPI and its dependencies using pip in just 2 simple commands. First, install the FastAPI framework itself with pip install fastapi. Then, install Uvicorn, which is the ASGI server that will run your FastAPI application. You can also install both packages together in a single command for convenience. Let's create a simple FastAPI application to see how easy it is. Start by importing FastAPI and creating an application instance. This simple code creates a FastAPI app with a single endpoint that returns a JSON response with Hello World. Routes are the paths that clients use to access different parts of your API. In FastAPI, routes map specific URLs to Python functions that handle requests. When a client sends a GET request to /users, FastAPI routes it to the corresponding function, which then returns a response. FastAPI supports all common HTTP methods: GET for retrieving data, POST for creating, PUT for updating, and DELETE for removing data. Path parameters let you capture values directly from the URL. Path parameters are enclosed in curly braces in the route, and FastAPI automatically validates and converts them to the specified type. So, a request to /users /42 would automatically pass 42 as an integer to the user_ID parameter. Query parameters provide additional filtering and options for your endpoints. Query parameters appear after the question mark in URLs and provide optional parameters with default values. A request like /items?skip equals 10 ampersand limit equals 20 would pass those values to the function. FastAPI uses Pydantic models to validate and parse request bodies automatically. Pydantic provides automatic data validation using Python type hints, making your API robust and type-safe. Define a Pydantic model by inheriting from base model and specifying fields with type hints. FastAPI will validate incoming data against this schema. Response models ensure your API returns consistently structured data. By specifying a response_model parameter, you tell FastAPI what structure the response should have, enabling automatic validation and documentation. One of FastAPI's killer features is automatic interactive documentation. FastAPI automatically generates 2 types of interactive documentation that update as you modify your code. Access Swagger UI at /docs for interactive testing, and redoc at /redoc for clean, organized documentation. Running your FastAPI application is simple with Uvicorn. Use the command uvicorn main:\app --reload to run your app with automatic reloading during development. Uvicorn starts the server and keeps your application running, ready to handle incoming requests. Let's recap why FastAPI is an excellent choice for building APIs. FastAPI delivers exceptional performance that rivals Node.js and Go, making it suitable for high-load applications. Built-in data validation with Pydantic ensures your API receives and returns correctly formatted data. Automatic interactive documentation means you always have up-to-date API docs without extra effort. FastAPI uses standard Python type hints, making code more readable and enabling better IDE support. The intuitive design and minimal boilerplate make FastAPI easy to learn and allow rapid development of production-ready APIs.